Are high electricity bills causing unnecessary stress? Fear not, because today we'll explore some practical steps to significantly reduce those pesky bills and contribute to a healthier planet. Step 1. Switch to LED bulbs. These energy-efficient bulbs not only last longer, but they also use a fraction of the power of traditional bulbs. Step 2. Unplug. Chargers and devices continue to use power even when they're not in use. So, unplug them and put a stop to that energy drain. Step 3. Opt for energy-efficient appliances. When you're in the market for new appliances, look for the Energy Star label. These devices are designed to use less power, saving you money in the long run. Step 4. Install a smart thermostat. These clever devices learn your preferences and adjust your home's heating and cooling accordingly, saving energy when you're not around. Step 5. Seal those leaks and gaps. Make sure your windows and doors are properly sealed to prevent drafts, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Step 6. Wash your clothes in cold water. This simple change can make a big difference since heating water accounts for a significant portion of energy use in washing machines. Step 7. Air dry your clothes. Skip the dryer and let nature do the work. It's not only energy efficient, but it also extends the life of your garments. Step 8. Make it a habit to turn off lights and unplug appliances when you leave a room. This small effort can make a big difference. Step 9. Consider solar panels. If it's feasible for you, generating your own electricity can be a game changer. And finally, Step 10. Use power strips. Group your electronics on power strips to easily turn them off completely when not in use, preventing standby power consumption. There you have it. 10 practical steps to slash your electricity bill and contribute to a greener planet. Start implementing these changes today, and watch those bills shrink. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving energy and protecting our environment. Hammer that subscribe button, join the conversation below, and spread the joy by smashing that like button. Thank you for watching.